square inches of grilling space. A 3-piece tool set, fruit wood.
Okay, I gotta go. So Dad's gonna take me to school.
All right.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 10:50 a.m. on July 5th, 2023, effective until 11:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm counting that. I'm counting that. I'm counting that.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 10:50 a.m. on July 5th, 2023, effective until 11:05.
Protección efectiva que es suave con la piel.
New station discovered.
Eres un maestro del surcido, pero tu staff ya no da la talla. Necesitas contratar.
And what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Joy, protect your peace. If you scroll past the wrong thing, it could just throw you off. So,
one.
See.
I think, in the end, this is a family. This is a story about family, and it is a story about forgiveness.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 10:50 a.m. on July 5th, 2023, effective until 11:05 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this was a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Whether they're 40 or 90. Listen, this is one of the most important films.
From the Lord. On your schedule. Kata's discreet, highly effective perinatal support programs are here for you.
You're going in there, and of course we all have a similarity of being there for a reason, right? But on top, in the parenting class, our similarities were having kids. So we felt comfortable that we all came in there having some sort of guilt. But that guilt slowly slipped away because we were all there for the same reason. So it's that comfort that I got you, you got me.
We'll help you achieve sobriety, keep your children, and restart your life.
You feel helpless at times. It's a lot and you can't do it, but you have to remind yourself that the outcome is greater and you'll be rewarded.
If I was willing to ask for help and I asked for it, they were there. And they will always be there.
Free of charge, guilt, or judgment. Kata can help you and your family lead healthy and productive lives.
I hope the lights to you don't fade. I hope we always find so.
My alarm went off, hence why the camera cut.
You are my soul.
Growing up as a low-income family, and now being able to be here and support the community that it's in need, it means a lot.
I can catch him.
4 weeks.
Que le diga a su... Muchos...
Ven acá, ¿tú eres español?
This is entertaining. I knew I was hearing something. Did y'all seriously fail? Wow, they failed. The fuck? The fuck? It's now? Now? It's 9:30. Holy shit. Are you kidding me? Wait, is this a monthly or a weekly? Monthly? No. No. Are you fucking kidding me? The fuck? Now? Fucking early?
If a natural disaster comes knocking, how prepared?
The fuck?